Hello, I am Shikha Yadav. You're watching Agri-Business News. Let's start with the latest updates. The Dhanuka Group plans to roll out drone-based services for farmers by deploying at least 30 to 40 pilots by next Kharif season. The services will be launched through the company's new business window, Dhanuka Agri Services. R.G. Agarwal, chairman of Dhanuka Group, said we are planning to offer the services as a package and make it affordable for farmers. Drones can help assess the health of soil and map the presence of pests. National Dairy Research Institute NDRI Karnal Director Dr. M.S. Chauhan and National Seed Corporation's former CMD Dr. V.K. Gaur visited Krishi Jagran at their newly inaugurated Digital India Center. They shared their experiences based on their respective fields and congratulated Krishi Jagran's founder and editor-in-chief MC Dominic and the whole team.
Dominic Saab was the man who has not gone towards money, otherwise he should not have started agriculture generally. So it is really service because you don't find the big companies here who will sponsor you and give you the big money. So after my explanation, I think I am also thinking to go to the rural area, and I have just got registered on FPO, which will work in animal husbandry and agriculture development of Uttarakhand, that is hill agriculture. So that is my focus. Reason being that in hills there is lot of migration, and it is usually told in the saying in the पहाड़, इस पहाड़ की जवानी और पहाड़ का पानी पहाड़ के काम नहीं आता है. Because जवानी means when you are young and this thing, people migrate from them and to go for some other place to find the job.
There is one technique, artificial insemination, where what you have to have the semen should be frozen in liquid nitrogen. One dose of semen can multiply around 50 or 100 doses. It means that once you have one ejaculate, you can spread it to 100 doses, and these 100 animals can be inseminated. This is the artificial insemination. And there, once you have a high pedigreed bull, where you, on the basis of the dam milk, suppose the mother was producing around 40 liter milk per day. So the male of that mother, we utilize them for their artificial insemination program. And then we use the semen, and subsequently we develop that, and that 40 liter mother, so we expect at least the progeny will have around 30 liters milk per day.
Coromandel International Limited celebrated Stewardship Day on 23rd December 2021 on the occasion of Kisan Divas across India by organizing hundreds of meetings wherein villages across the length and breadth of the city. Addressing the Stewardship Day meeting at Coromandel headquarters, N.K. Rajavelu, EVP and SBU, Head of Crop Protection Business, said that stewardship helps create a special bond with the end users and farmers. It is indeed a historic day for all of us in Coromandel as we dedicate the day to spreading the message of responsible use. Bharat Certis Agri-Science Limited organized farmer training program and a CSR program. The event has been organized at two locations, Village Khera and Village Rupana and Sivani. Approximately 200 farmers from 5 adopted villages, Khera, Rupana, Dulkot, Dhani, Balhara, Dhani, Girja, under CSR participated in this program. AgroVision 2021, which has been organized by Indian Chamber of Food and Agriculture at IISR Telibag, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, aims to provide an opportunity for participants to showcase products, services, schemes and technologies to potential users and farmers.
हमारे नए प्रोडक्ट है इसमें 551, 557, 380 हमारा सुपर प्लस 42 हार्स पावर रेंज में, 551 हमारा 50 हार्स पावर रेंज में, 557 ट्रिपर गियर के साथ हमारा 50 हार्स पावर रेंज में, जो कि सुपर सीडर जैसा इम्प्लीमेंट, हैवी एप्लीकेशन, लोडर है या बैकहो है, किसी प्रकार के एप्लीकेशन को चलाने में सक्षम है.
Amul has announced that it will set up a milk processing facility in Telangana with an investment of Rs 500 crore in 2 phases. The plant will come up in a special food processing zone with an investment of about Rs 300 crore in first phase and Rs 200 crore in second phase. Sabar Dairy, a key constituent of Amul's Federation of Cooperatives, signed an agreement with the Telangana government to set up the facility in the presence of Telangana Industry Minister K.T. Ramarao. BASF has entered into an unprecedented partnership with AG Fintechs, Agroland and DU Agro to offer credit mainly aimed at small and medium-sized farmers. Fernanda Mello, CEO of DU Agro, said partnering with companies like BASF allows us to bring new financial solutions to financing the farmers. Tata Consumer Products Limited is planning to extend general trade distribution of its Sampann brand of pulses, mixes and spices, recognizing an opportunity to expand the brand beyond top and fruits. Deepika Bhan, president of Packaged Food feels that Sampann is an opportunity for us to ensure that we can compete in core consumer categories. Crystal Crop Protection is expecting to be among the many prime 10 seed firms within the nation with the latest acquisition of seed manufacturers from Bayer Crop Science. Crystal Crop has acquired cotton, mustard, pearl, millet and sorghum hybrid seed manufacturers from Bayer. For more such updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business. Thank you.